Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. We'll navigate the challenging terrain of malware and guide you through the process of safeguarding your site. With a focus on beginners, let's dive in and reclaim your website's well-being. Step 1. Identify the signs of malware. Did you know, over 90,000 websites get blacklisted by Google each week due to malware? Let's prevent that from happening to you. Step 2. Back up your website. A backup is your safety net. Ensure your data is safe before embarking on the malware removal journey. Step 3. Remove malware. Employ a trusted security plugin or WordPress malware removal service to detect and eliminate malicious code. A prompt response can save your site from a 58% drop in traffic. Step 4. Update plugins and themes. Over 39% of hacked WordPress sites were compromised due to outdated plugins. Stay up to date to protect your site. Step 5. Strengthen security. Utilize strong passwords, implement two-factor authentication, and limit login attempts. These measures reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Some pro tips. Regularly scan your site for vulnerabilities. Consider a Web Application Firewall for added protection. Engage a professional if the malware persists. By following these steps, you're on your way to a safer online presence. Want to explore further? Check out the resources below for more insights. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.